Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be looking at the NASDAQ100 stocks and the latest hottest trade ideas as generated by artificial intelligence. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. We look at the artificial intelligence trading from 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, all 4 of these AI trading strategies caters for different type of trading styles, whether you're a swing trader, position trader, or a day trader. All 4 of these can offer you some trading strategy for high probability trades. Jumping straight into the Metastock platform, I did the screen earlier. It took about 5 minutes, just under 6 minutes to do the screen. So the AI looked for those 4 AI strategies, which we now know is highly successful. The probability of success is very high. If I just load the AI statistics, this is the NASDAQ100 artificial intelligence engine that's been trained on the NASDAQ100 stocks. The major market reversal strategy is 81% successful with an average profit per trade of 13%. The quick move strategy is about 65% accurate, 1.4% average profit per trade. Now, this is over thousands and thousands of different trades in the testing period, so you can see these are absolutely fantastic trading statistics. The swing trade strategy is 65% accurate with 2.5% average profit per trade. These are in for a couple of days. And the volatility breakout one is 51% accurate with 2.5% average profit per trade. So you can see these trading statistics are quite high, very successful trading strategies. Now remember, these are over thousands and thousands of different trades that we've tested. Now here's the list I sort by bars, tells you how old the trade is. There's a couple of trades, the AI is already in this position for a very long period of time. Now if we go to the most recent ones, just scroll up, the most recent ones we'll see there. So if we sort them from most recent to older, we can see there's quite a couple of fresh new trades. We'll go through some of these. I think eBay will load that one as well. And let's just load these shares. Move this across out the screen. So I've got eBay on here. We can see we've had a couple of really great trades back here in November. Volatility breakout. The volatility breakout seems to be quite well here. Quite a lot of trades on the volatility breakout side. You can see the AI automatically adds the trailing stop loss as the trade goes along. You can follow these AI generate stop losses, or you can do your own risk adjusted stop loss depending on your risk profile and portfolio management principles. So the latest signal is a volatility breakout. So the stop loss there is just around about the $70 level, $70. And it will be interesting to see if eBay will take out the old higher. So the trade opportunity is from this current level, $73, up until about 81. So there's a nice volatility breakout swing trade available there on eBay. Next up is Coparts. We'll look at this one. We can see we had a fantastic swing trade there. Still long in a trade here. The trailing stop here is just below 150. It will be interesting to see if this is going to keep going ahead, motoring ahead. And you just move your artificial intelligence generated stop up as the stock advances. But Copart, some fantastic trades here. Look at this March rally, captured the March, April, May, June, July rally. There was a trailing stop hit there. And then the AI generated a new swing trade to the upside. So Copart's CPRT, another one to have a look at. Next up is PepsiCo, and here we go. We have a nice swing trade here, still long it with a trailing stop right up here just below the 160 level, 160.40. That's the trailing stop loss now, and these old highs is a new support zone. But you can see two fantastic swing trades most recently on PepsiCo, so that one's working out very well. Microsoft still going strong here. We had a nice swing trade here at the back in end of September, worked out beautifully. The AI trading stop loss is now at 325. The stock is still motoring ahead. Fantastic swing trade on Microsoft here, and we can see we've had some really good returns using the AI on Microsoft, for example. DXCM. The next one, the diabetes management stock, you can see we had a nice major market reversal here trade there. And then the most recent one is a nice swing trade there, fantastic swing trade there with a new upside trailing stop loss here just below 610. So far so good. DXCM also in the money on using the artificial intelligence engine. Next up is Netflix. So Netflix, we had a lovely swing trade here at the beginning of August, and that worked out beautifully. It did hit the trailing stop there, but we had immediately a quick move signal immediately after that. So what I tend to do is, if the price action reverses back above that particular stop loss, you would tend to stay in the trade. But we had a nice rally there and a nice new swing trade here most recently with a trailing stop. It's up here now at 660. So it will be interesting to see if this move's gonna move higher. A little bit of a negative candle there as it's retesting the breakout here. But so far so good. The most recent swing trade also making good money. There's a quick move to the downside, but since the market's so strong, flush with the liquidity, I don't particularly trade shorts at the moment. But we've had some fantastic trades on Netflix on a swing trade basis using the AI. Next up is DOCU. Still struggling a little bit here. We had a nice swing trade May, June, July, captured most of that move. The swing trade in August worked out. The September one got stopped out, but we immediately had a reversal there to the upside, and we have a new swing trade signal there with a very wide stop loss. I would quite see the AI is adjusting for that volatility. Most likely it learned from this experience there that it now needs a wider stop. But will it be interesting to see if DocuSign will move from the current level to the old highs here. That's the first level of resistance, and the next one to look out for are these old highs up here. So these are the next level of resistance for DocuSign. But so far so good. Had some fantastic swing trades in the past. November, December rally captured that beautiful rally there using AI on DocuSign, for example. Next up, we've got Booking Holdings. Now, interesting, yeah, we've got a swing trade. The last swing trade got stopped out with a trailing stop there. I had a swing trade here that worked out beautifully. Then another one there. That one got stopped out. But now, no, sorry, the last one is not stopped out. That is a signal, but now you can still enter this at these levels roughly. We have a trailing stop of just under 2300. So that is the current trailing stop of that swing trade signal there. So it'll be interesting to see if it's going to go back up and hit these old highs as the resistance zone that it needs to get past. So that is the trade opportunity. This is the downside risk, and that's the upside potential on this particular swing trade on Booking Holdings. Next up is Walgreen Boots. Choppy trade within a base. You can see lots of volatility breakouts here. The most recent one is also another volatility breakout. The trailing stop is now in there, just around the 47 level, and then the old highs here would be the upside resistance target, that level there, and then these old highs. Yes, will be interesting to see if we're going to get back swing trade, break out of this sideways moving consolidation base, breakout to the upside, and then retest these old highs. So that's the upside opportunity of these targets there. The $50 and then the $51, and then the ultimate target there is $55. So that's the current upside potential for the volatility breakout swing trade, and your stop loss is about 46.76, around about that level. You can see with the volatility breakout we do get quite a lot of signals on it, and there are some that work out, some don't work out. But you can adjust your probability of success, requiring higher probability of success, and reduce this, that there's so many trades. But if you're a high frequency trader, volatility breakouts ideal for trading stocks on a shorter term basis. Okay, and then Marriott International is a swing trade position in here. Will be interesting to see if it's going to get back up to the old highs. Yeah, that would be your upside target. Yeah, maybe the end of year season will drive prices high, but we're at the bottom end of a base here. The trailing stop loss is not on the system here yet, but it would be around about the 149, 150 zone. So it will be interesting to see if Marriott International is going to swing trade back up to the old highs there. So that's the list, the most recent trades ranked from most recent to older trades. You can see the AI is long, about 45 shares out of the NASDAQ 100, recently generated some signals here. Some of the older ones, 164 days into a trade. Fox, Xilinx, Liberty Global, also 47 days into a trade. NetEase, another 45 days into a trade. What you can see on the other side is, in terms of the accuracy, tells you which AI we're using. And also what the accuracy is, 65% accurate, 66% accurate. So very high profitability statistics on these NASDAQ 100 stocks from a artificial intelligence trading perspective. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. Oh, for those of you that like Ferraris, those sports cars, look how great the AI has identified a nice swing trade on Ferrari at the end of September. You got in here around about a 208.97 and is still going strong with a new trailing stop loss just around about that level there. It's 252. So far so good. Ferrari also generated a fantastic signal using artificial intelligence. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.